Trunk Monkey Theft Retrieval System. Because sometimes getting your car back is simply not enough. Another revolutionary idea you'll only find at Suburban Auto Group, pending approval by Department of Agriculture.
Here we are.
I still can't believe my dad let us even touch his new car.
Oh, yeah?
I think it came with the car. Hey. Wait!
The Trunk Monkey Chaperone version, an innovative idea you'll only find at Suburban Auto Group.
When I'm driving, I like to play it safe. That's why I never text and drive. With my Trunk Monkey, I can send hands-free texts. Send. I'm running late. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Bananas, bananas, bananas.
The Trunk Monkey Texting Edition, only at Suburban Auto Group.
If you want hunky, get with the monkey. Oh, so now he's a monkey.
That is fabulous.
Ma'am?
How about if we don't give us a ticket today and just a warning?
License and registration.
Okay.
This your monkey?
The Trunk Monkey, a revolutionary idea you'll only find at Suburban Auto Group.
On my way into work, I spilled hot coffee on my lap, and I lost control of my car.
Shock advised. Stand clear.
No. For the most part, I'm glad that I bought a car with the Trunk Monkey.
The Trunk Monkey, a life-saving idea you'll only find at Suburban Auto Group.
Yeah, happened about a month ago. I was driving my new truck home from the bingo and it just died. Now, next thing I know, I seen this bright light up in the sky. Then aliens was everywhere. Now, I don't do probes, so I'm glad I bought a truck with a Trunk Monkey.
The Trunk Monkey, an out-of-this-world idea you'll only find at Suburban Auto Group.
What do you think you're honking at, huh? What, you don't like the way I drive? What, come on in here, I'll give you a driving lesson. You want a piece of me? Why don't you come out and get you some, huh? Where are you gonna go now? Well, you can't speed up by anybody now. You think you're better than me? What, you think, oh, I don't like the way you drive. What, you got a fancy new what? Huh? See, out!
The Trunk Monkey, a revolutionary idea you'll only find at Suburban Auto Group, pending approval by Attorney General.
All right, back in the trunk.
With my Trunk Monkey, I can send hands-free texts. Send. I'm running late. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Ditch that zero. Get with a monkey hero.
The Trunk Monkey Texting Edition, only at Suburban Auto Group.
Don't worry, okay? We'll make
I think it's happening.
Now?
Yes, right now. What are we doing?
Okay, everything's gonna be okay, all right? Breathe with the monkey.
The Trunk Monkey Pediatric Edition, an innovative idea you'll only find at Suburban Auto Group.
Cash only.
But all I have is a card.
Oh, guess we'll have to duel. You win, you get the gas. You lose, I get that car. Man, dueling banjos, not dueling with banjos.
The Trunk Monkey Dueling Edition, only at Suburban Auto Group.
Where'd you find this place?
Hey! You know it costs a lot to park here.
I'm not gonna pay you any money.
Well, then you're gonna pay another way.
Oh, yeah?
The Trunk Monkey Samurai Edition.
That's my Trunk Monkey.
An automotive accessory you will only find at Suburban Auto Group.
I tried everything to get the ladies' attention. pickup lines.
Hi, my name's Chuck. That rhymes with luck.
Manly facial hair. Even magic.
Abra? Cadabra!
I paid for that, you jerk!
But then, I tried Trunk Monkey.
Oh, how adorable.
Yeah, we're a team.
The Trunk Monkey Wingman Edition, only at Suburban Auto Group.
Thanks.
The Trunk Monkey has done such a great job helping our customers on the road, we decided to see what he could do at the dealership. How do we boost the sales, folks? Any ideas? Anyone?
Is this your phone number?
The price you see is the price you pay.
I'll take that one.
Let's just hope he doesn't quit his day job.
Suburban Auto Group, home of the Trunk Monkey.
Being the best place to buy a car sometimes means taking some chances.
So all I have to do is slap your hands and I get the car for free?
They have to fill them out first.
I've never sold that many cars.
I'll take leather. That's not really what I meant. I said kill them with kindness. Here at our dealership, we have a reputation for being the best place to buy a car. So it's probably best he goes back in the trunk.
Suburban Auto Group, home of the Trunk.
Here to get my car?
$85.
You said 75 earlier.
That was it. Nah.
I just walked 5 miles.
And I hope them shoes you got on's comfortable.
That monkey can drive! That just happened.
The Trunk Monkey Auto Recovery System, only at Suburban Auto Group.
Hey! You little...
The Trunk Monkey, the revolutionary idea you'll only find one place. Suburban Auto Group.
Attention! We are recalling all 2004 Trunk Monkeys, effective immediately. Due to recent complications, all Trunk Monkeys are being observed for the following: unchecked aggression, attacking small children, organized crime, plus many more. If you have been a victim, think you might be, or maybe want to be a victim, you may be entitled to special buying and leasing deals. Head to Suburban Auto Group for further instruction and receive free Trunk Monkey gear. Licensed Trunk Monkey